We're gonna do a little construction video on this Hooch. I mean, anybody can build this, really. It's not like it's rocket science. Now, I just threw this thing up. Most of the lumber in here, stuff I already had, pieces I scavenged. But if you look, I don't know if you can see. There's a damn light here. Okay. That's a little better. You see the slope of the roof's the same all the way down. It's a gable roof, right? Over here I got trussed, because I didn't want overtubs in the middle of a damn building. I mean, we do a lot of walking in here. To the kitchen, to the wood stove, to the table, to the back porch. So you got to have an opening. So I trussed this, as you can see. I made me some trusses. Comes down here and connects to this one. This is a 9-foot cedar. Your hip over there, your plate's 6 foot. That's a 1x4 running all the way down there. These are 1x4s. That's a 9-foot 4-inch rafter right there. I built this with what I had. I built it with a lot of scrap. I had some good lumber, but a lot of this is scrap lumber I made do with. Anyway, this is how it's made. Look at the spot, my buddies. Blood. See, that's a cleat. That's what I call a cleat. That's a 2x4 screw from the outside. And your rafter meets it. And screwed to it. Same thing up there. Cleats. That's all cleats right there. All of it. Cleats, cleats, and more cleats. You see them little 4x2s up in that corner? It's cleats. Them rafters, they're not supporting any weight. I mean, I got 3 roofs on here right now. They're all tarps. But I'm under the trees. You can see where the hell I am. We're gonna go outside and look at the outside of it. But it's not that hard to build. You could build one like this probably for about $1,000, provided you do a dirt floor. This is under repair out here right now. I gotta do some work on my roof here. But anyway, if you look, you see what we got here. I got a little overhang I put in this year when I changed the roof. It's 4 foot on this side, and it's about 3 on the other side. It's push the water away. Now this side rolls up. These sides roll up and expose the screen. As you can see right here. I need to cut me another tarp for this opening. That's my kitchen window right here. Watch. Pull that baby back. That's looking out the kitchen window. This all rolls up. This one here isn't, because this is emergency. I just redid this and took my refrigerator out of my picture window. I didn't like it. I gotta find another place for my refrigerator for the summer. But anyway, all this rolls up. This rolls up, this rolls up, this rolls up. All this rolls up. All of it. All the sides roll up.